So students, in today's activity, we are going to prepare another slide for stomata. We know that stomata are the small pores that are present on the surface of leaf, especially in the epidermis. So, for preparing and for observing that stomata, first thing we need to tear off the epidermal layer from this leaf. So, let's start the procedure. First thing that we need to prepare the slide of stomata is a fresh and washed leaf. We know that leaf has two type of epidermis. First is upper epidermis and next one is lower epidermis. So हम लोगों को किसी भी एक epidermis के थ्रू स्टोमेटा को निकालना है, किसी भी एक एपिडर्मिस से लेकर स्टोमेटा को निकालना है. तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, लीफ को टीयर करते हैं. ये जो आपको वेनेशन दिख रहा है इसकी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स clean the water. Just all the water wipe out. Okay, now tear the leaf. So tear that leaf. Now you can see this papery layer. So this layer is the epidermis. So the next step to cut off this layer of a blade. And pour some water in the watch glass. Now the next step is staining. So we will stain it with the help of safranin. Just put few drops of stain and let them rest for 10 seconds. With the help of a brush, transfer it on your slide. Make sure the slide is clean. If you think it get over stained, you can wash the stain out of it with the help of simple water. Wipe out the extra water from the slide and dry it. Now, after the staining, we will mount it, temporary mount with the help of glycerine. माउंटिंग के लिए मैंने कुछ प्रिकॉशंस आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में बताए भी थे कि एयर बबल नहीं आना चाहिए और आपकी जो कवर स्लिप है वो एकदम से क्लीन होनी चाहिए. तो एयर बबल ना आए उसके लिए भी मैंने आपको एक प्रोसीजर बताया था. दैट put a drop of glycerine with the help of a dropper directly on the cover slip and one drop on your material. Now cover that slip on the material and let it spread by its own. Now there is no air bubble. Let's see the stomata under the microscope. Let's first observe the stomata slide, which is unstained. So these are the unstained stomata structures. And the same unstained slide with 45x objective lens. Here are the stomata. So let's observe the stomata with 10x magnification. Let's zoom it. Yes, these are the stomata. These are. And now let's see the same stained slide of stomata with the magnification 10x eyepiece and the 45x objective lens. So here they are. Yes, this is the structure. So we have observed the stomata slide under different magnification, and we have observed two type of slide, stained and unstained slide. Stomata, you know, the tiny structure that helps the leaf in the gaseous exchange. पूरे प्लांट में जब भी हम लोग फोटोसिंथेसिस या रेस्पिरेशन पढ़ते हैं प्लांट्स का, तो उसमें जो गैसियस एक्सचेंज होता है वो स्टोमेटा की वजह से ही होता है। स्टोमेटा का जब आप स्ट्रक्चर देख रहे होंगे तो उसमें आपको साइड से बीच में एक डार्कर कलर का स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, और साइड से जो स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है वो गार्ड सेल्स का स्ट्रक्चर है। सो इट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे।